welcome back to my channel. I am Ria. If you don't know who I am Ria. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a TikTok shop haul. I just want you guys to know that I am a TikTok shop affiliate. So if you decide to purchase any of these items, please click the link below on my TikTok shop and purchase from your girl. So if you are not aware, at the moment, I am recording off of the back camera and I am using the magnetic selfie mirror. This is great for people who don't have a camera, or for people who have a camera and maybe their camera is dead, or maybe they left it. This is something like so small and minute. You could literally fit it in your purse. It looks just like this, and it's literally mirroring everything that I do. It's very easy setup, doesn't take a lot of work. You literally just cut this on from right here and then hit the on switch here, and then you set the mirror settings in your phone. So you scroll down, hit screen mirror, and it should automatically pop up as an option. You click it, put in the code, and the code that you need to use is in the instructions manual, and then voila, you're on camera on the mirror screen. And it has a MagSafe on the back, so it just connects on the back of your phone. So you know how a lot of us, we like to see ourselves, to make sure that we are in view of the camera, to make sure that we look like we're looking at the camera, and to make sure that we're not sitting over here but we think that we are. So that's why we use that front facing camera. Well, this allows you to utilize the back camera so that you can get the better quality videos. So if this is something that you are interested in purchasing, this will be listed as number 1 in the description box, and you can click the link and purchase from my TikTok shop. The next thing that I have, also it comes with a remote and a charger. Yeah, so that was really neat. The next thing that I have is this, what is this thing even called? Vacuum suction phone holder. Right there. I got this off of TikTok shop as well. I know plenty of y'all, if y'all are on TikTok shop, more than likely, if you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're scrolling, you've seen the shop videos where they're going around the whole house and they're just popping this everywhere and showing you the different angles that you can shoot from. This, they didn't lie. Now, I will say, most of them lying about the free shipping. I did not get this for free shipping, and I don't know the prices of any of this stuff right out the hand, so I will put them in the video for you guys, and I will list them in the description box next to their link. But I got this off. I'm gonna tell you like this: if I bought it, it wasn't expensive, because you know, I'm a budget girl, so I'm not out here going crazy on TikTok shop. There's an off and on. Off means it doesn't suction. On means it's suctioning. So you just put it on the surface that you want. Right here, we're gonna switch it on, and there it is. So that's that. I feel like it works better. Oh, and then it can move, like go up and down like that. But it's really not like something to this. It's just, I guess, easier than a tripod. It's easier than a Gorilla Pod because I bought a Gorilla Pod and it's like it slides on certain surfaces. This just allows you to pop it anywhere, especially if you want to stand and be at eye level. So that's that. The last thing that I want to show you guys is something that is near and dear to my heart, and it's the Bible in a year. You guys, today is Sunday, so it's 52 weeks of a Bible study guide. And this is what it looks like. It's very thick, very well put together. I'm gonna list the price on the video like I told you guys, but so each week you focus on certain specific categories. And they have 52 weeks of them, and each week you're going to go through certain scriptures of the Bible. It's going to give you a reading plan. So the first week was God's creation, God's nature, and it's basically like starting from the beginning, right? I am on week I'm on week 3. Yeah. in week 3 is talking about faith. And I'm going to dive into it after, you know, once I get into my setting and my space. But it kind of gives you a synopsis, and then it goes into a little more detail, and then it gives you a reading plan for day 1. So today would be day 1. So I would read Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1 through 3, and it's a definition of faith. And then day 2 is Romans chapter 10, verse 17. Then the weekly blessing, I'll go ahead and do this with you guys. It says, may your faith grow stronger as you step forward in trust, knowing that the same God who has been faithful in your past holds your future securely in his hands. So to me, that states, without even diving into the meat and potatoes of it, that's stating you see what he brought you through in your past, so you should have faith on where he's going to take you in your future. And I'm just going to leave you guys with that. If this is something that you guys are interested in, I strongly encourage you to click the link below in the description box. And you don't even have to buy it from my TikTok shop. This is really great. I really like it. I'm thinking about doing like weekly check-ins on this, and like a recap on Saturdays, and then, you know, Sundays, the start of the video. If you knock down this light, because I got a light, y'all, and I got it off TikTok shop as well, but I'm not going to showcase that because you can't see it. But it has different modes on it and whatnot. I'll list that in the link below as well. And it also comes with a remote too. So yeah, if you're interested in this light, go ahead, click the link below in the TikTok shop. So back to this. If you're interested in this, I say definitely go for it. Week 4 we're going to be diving into prayer. Week 5, also it gives you like note sections to write your notes from what you read on a daily reading. There's a reflection. Like, it's really hands-on. It's really interactive, and I like that. So I also have the New Testament coming from Spiral Bible as well. So if you guys, and I'll do a review on both of these together when the Spiral Bible comes. This is the Spiral Bible, but the Bible in here, and then I have the New Testament Spiral Bible, and I think I'm going to get the Old Testament as well. But thank you guys for tuning in into this video. I hope you guys liked it. I know I haven't seen y'all in a minute, and it feels good to show my face in my space on this place. And I hope, you know, you guys like this video. Like, comment. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. To all of my new subscribers, hey, welcome to Reed's World. And to all of my old subscribers, thank you guys for sticking with me. And yeah, you know, let's turn it up for the one time. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Oh, if you guys want to follow any of my content on other platforms, I have 2 TikToks on TikTok shop. 2 accounts on TikTok. One is more faith-based, and my other one, it's gonna be more of a blog, like daily life type of thing. I haven't started it yet, but I will be starting it soon. So if you guys are interested in that, then definitely follow me over there as well. And I would love to follow you guys as well on yours if you are a content creator on there. I'm all for supporting. So thank you guys for tuning in into this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.